Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will quickly show you how to integrate Asana with Slack. So there's only one way to do that. So first of all, go to your Google and search for the Slack app directory. So this will basically allow us to go to their website and browse the apps inside of Slack that can be integrated into Slack. So in this case, we're integrating Asana into Slack, right? So go to this link. And here, as you can see, find a new app or service and just type in Asana. Okay, choose this one. This is going to be our Asana. And now add to Slack. Add it. Now allow. Now confirm that Asana is requesting permission. Just confirm everything. Review any of this if you want. Allow. And as you can see, you have successfully connected Asana to Slack. And now we need to check Slack for a message sent from Asana to continue setup. Now we can open up Slack. And now from Slack, as you can see, we have our Asana. And you can see here your teammates, your works, your chat, and everything else. Thank you for watching, guys. If this helps, don't forget to support our channel by liking the video and subscribing to us. Click on that notification bell to not miss new videos when they come out. And thank you for watching.